ready to make your Redfin listing irresistible. Let's dive into crafting hooks that grab buyers' attention and turn clicks into contracts. First, understand your target audience. Are you selling to young professionals, growing families, or retirees? Tailor your language and highlight features that resonate with them. Think about who is going to be living in the home and what aspects of the home would be most interesting to them. Next, identify your property's unique selling proposition. The wow factor. Is it a chef's kitchen, a breathtaking view, or a backyard oasis? Make it the star of your listing. For example, if your kitchen has granite countertops, name brand appliances, and an island, focus on those aspects. Now, translate features into benefits. Don't just say new appliances. Say enjoy effortless cooking with state-of-the-art appliances. Features are just the facts about your house. Benefits are the advantages that the feature gives. The beer benefits make your property more appealing. Avoid generic descriptions. Instead of cozy home, try charming craftsman offering a warm and inviting atmosphere. Also, use high-quality photos that highlight key selling points. Bad photos can hurt your home sales. Finally, proofread meticulously. Errors erode trust. Remember, your hook is the first impression. Make it count. Use hashtag REDFIN listing and hashtag real estate marketing to reach more viewers.